How to make money on Roblox as a game developer. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply search Roblox Studio on any sort of browser, and this is the first link that you want to click to. This is the official Roblox creator, right? So in here, click on start creating, and if you haven't downloaded Roblox Studio application yet, simply download this just like this. So after downloading the application, all you need to do is open it and simply log into your account. So after logging into your account, what are we going to do is, if you want to create from a very beginning, what you can do is click on new experience. You'll be able to open your toolbox from where you'll be able to create your own Roblox game, right? So in here, if you simply click on templates right here, you'll now be able to get a lot of templates that you can use in order to create a baseline for your Roblox game, right? So let's just go with this laser tag just like this. Let's just say I'm going to create a laser tag game. So in here now, what you can do is you can now start developing your game using all of these tools provided by Roblox. And in here you can now after some times you can start improving your game regularly, grow your players base, and earn Robux from your purchases. If eligible, you can actually cash out through your DevX, and that is exactly how you will be able to make money on Roblox as a game developer. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.